Hi and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are learning on how to create a pivot table in Excel. The first thing you need to do is open your worksheet, load in the data that you need for this exercise. For example, in this example we have product, sales and region. The first step is to highlight all your data including the headings, and then the next step, click highlight, click on insert. On your heading you'll have people table on your left, click on it and then choose from table range. A pop-up table will come asking you to either choose new worksheet or existing worksheet. Just click on new worksheet and click on OK. Another box will come on your right which has product, sales and region. So this is what you'll use to create your pivot table. Choose the ones that you only need. For example, in this example we only need product and sales. Click and drag your product all the way down to rows. Click and drag your sales all the way to values, and here Excel will automatically sum the values of A and B, the sum of A and B, and here you'll get your pivot table ready. If need be that you need to add something else, for this example we can drag region to column and here you'll get something like this. But if you don't need the region, for example, you can click and drag it anywhere in the worksheet and it will be removed from the pivot table. So that's how you add pivot tables in Excel. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and share, and leave a comment in the comment section asking a question or just giving us feedback on what you think about this. Thank you for watching.